Negatif kerja dia. Ini kes besok kerja. Because already 10 days. Dapat dah kita nanti kontak. Kamu. Sama aja tadi nanti. Mata kita dokter iroke. Nanti. Cuma grooming sih kan. Coba juga apa tuh anda sebab kerja kamu. Apa senang jengah. Cuma makna kita kapai ini kan. Semua tak tunggu ibu. Ini takut ah. Oh, oksigen ini kamu. Jadi kamu. Ah, babang. Coba. Kamu paling ah. Betul selalu ah. Harusnya ah. Oke. Patient. Jinglah dong actually. Nah, apa sih namanya itu? Here actually main. Here main. Just taking out this part, huh? Itu apa? Oh, ada yang itu atau paket itu, ya? Atau paket itu mana? Demo? I've just completed the round of the COVID wards and just come out of my PPE kit, and in this 15 minutes, 20 minutes when I was there, I managed to meet most of the patients and give them the assurance that we will do everything we can from our side, and the doctors are doing a lot. They're working very hard, and in this 20 minutes itself you can see how difficult it is, the kind of conditions where the doctors and nurses have to work under, and I did it only for 20 minutes and they do it every day. So it's something that we must all appreciate, and we must realize that we have to take care of ourselves, and if we don't take care of ourselves, then there's more pressure and more risks to the doctors. So therefore, once again, I request every citizen that follow the protocols and make sure that you're safe, so that we can be a part of this entire fight against COVID and reduce the stress on the doctors and on the medical fraternity.